Okay, now let's pay our friends a visit.
Almost not a profession. I love using it, but when I'm on a real job, I have to get passionate about this would work, but I've had it pop out.
What do we have here? Roll fans. Ooh, color options. Look at these color options.
So those are my. It's inconvenient. Yeah, those are my please.
That's nice.
I think enough people have.
Dude, I rock this pink all day, every baby.
Eventually, we're gonna be able to offer.
Yeah, pink, purple. That's it.
It's a different channel.
Lavender.
There's also auto dynamic. I kind of understand the difference between those. The game mode between this and camera, I really don't get the difference.
Apple green.
I know there's like a negative 18. I understand that.
I think this is apple green.
There's an auto game mode.
Yeah.
That's just supposed to be pretty much pure.
It's the receiver.
Not necessarily. So the difference. So when you go to this mode here.
I haven't done the
So all this does, and you kind of need to configure it. So in Rogue,
Mind you, all my videos are recorded with the audio using Roll audio for all of B&H Bild Expo videos. All of my audio is being transmitted by Roll. So disclaimer, I'm not sponsored by these guys, but they could give me a product or two. You know, I take one of these shotgun microphones, man. I want one of these. I know you guys want one.
And then the other question I have.
I want to ask you some questions, everybody. I know you got questions, right? Why the colors now? Gotta ask. You gotta ask. Were they feeling vibing today? Were they just like, you know what? We should do colors because everybody wants selection, right? I think colors are a good way of expressing your videography mood or your taste in color and fashion.
I mean, that's manual, but I would.
But yeah, everyone.
The gain assist mode should help mitigate.
Let's go check out some of the other stuff. Oh. I'm not sure the Altoids is part of this whole marketing experience, but I will roll with it. Ooh, look at this broadcaster Pro. Is this the Mark II? Wait, it is the Mark II. Holy shit! Excuse my language. And look at it. Look at those NAT1s. In different color, in 4 different colors: sky blue, metallic, gray, I guess candy pink, or cotton candy, and that one might be a lime green. Hey, we have a question.
Yes, sir.
Why the colors now?
Because it's funner and we're able to do it. And as people work on content and have different creative spaces, it's cool to be able to offer people different aesthetic options in their productions and in their projects.
And your name is
Ian.
Ethan. Well, thank you for giving us anything new that you want to share with the audience.
Other than the Wireless Go Gen 3s that come in a bunch of awesome colors, we recently came out with the Wireless Micro, which is our smallest system.
Yeah, we were checking that out.
Yeah, it's a 2-mic system. They sound just as good as our other more professional systems. They're pocket size, and they're really just meant to elevate your sound on the go in a portable, easy to use plug and play system. We have it in white as well. And over here, I don't know if you've checked that out, but I won't talk too loud because my colleague's there. But we have our video switcher, the Rodecaster Video, which does things like auto switching and automatic chroma keying, and it's supposed to make video podcasting production and small broadcast setups more streamlined, but at a high quality.
Thank you for that.
You're welcome, man. I appreciate the interest.
Yes, thank you.